Hello my lovely subscribers and welcome back to another my video. So I have one favor to ask you guys. So since I'm not really watching Hunter x Hunter right now because I'm so busy with my family and what's called with my school, I'll try to make some videos, but if it's something that it kind of includes like anime from some episodes and I don't watch it or I don't really watch it, I might not know. So for the person who asked that request that is kind of like similar or like the one that involves episodes to the anime that I don't really watch, I'm very sorry. I might have to cancel that. I'm sorry that I won't be able to do any requests that does that, but if I do get a chance to watch the whole Hunter x Hunter thing and I'm able to do your request, I will do it. But like if it's some animes that I don't watch and I don't know a lot about it, then I won't really able to watch it or like do the request. So I'm thinking for this video I can do a period comfort, and then like some other videos I'm gonna do some other comforts too, and Killua. So yeah, so let's just get on with the period comfort Killua X listeners. So yeah. Neko-chan, open the door. Neko-chan, Neko-chan, dork. You haven't texted me in 2 days and I'm worried. Neko-chan. You know what? I'll just come in. He walks in the door, like trying to find a way in. Like after 15 or 20 minutes, he finally gets in your house. Neko-chan, I know that you're here. He looked around the whole around your house for a while, and then when he gets to your room, he opens the door and saw you under. He saw something under the sheets of your bed. Neko-chan, is that you? Killua, please go away. I don't want. I'm not in the mood. Neko-chan, you're kicking me out I just barely got here and I haven't been able to talk to you in 2 days and I want to know what's going on. It's nothing. Please go away. Neko-chan, you grab a book, you grabbed the book that it was next to you and you threw it. You were trying to throw it at him. Whoa, Neko-chan! What the hell is wrong with you? Did I do something wrong? Neko-chan? Why are you crying? Please leave! I want to end my suffering! You keep crying, and Killua went up to you and sat next to your bed, but once he left the covers, when he barely got on it and saw blood. Neko-chan, you're bleeding! Killua, don't make it worse. I don't see any wounds, but why you're bleeding? Killua, I'm on my period. Don't. Ow. The cramps are getting worse. period? Wait. Are those things that girls get every month? And for a week? Yes. Oh, Nico-chan, you could have told me. Okay, Nico-chan, do you mind getting off the bed? Why? He gets up, went into your drawer, gets some clothes for you, and then he gives them to you. Okay, Neko-chan, you put on the clothes, go to the bathroom, change clothes, and he looks around for a tampon or a pad, and what he saw was the tampon, so he grabs it, hands it to you. Okay, if you need help, call me, and I'll try my best to help you, okay? And you go change while... I'm so tired. Anyways, while I change the sheets and the covers and stuff. Killua, you don't have to do that. Ow. Come on, go. Okay. You went to the bathroom, change, do your thing with the tampon. While Killua, on the other hand, took off the sheets that the blood stained and changed that and put the sheets to wash. When you come out, okay, Neko-chan, since you're done, you can lay down and I'll get some things. You lay down in your bed. He got you comfy and kind of ready for you to go. Okay, say that you're having cramps. Does chocolate help? He hands you his chocolate robot, and I feel like I'm gonna cough. My eyes are watery. Alright. Anyways, he hands you your the chocolate robot that he has left and hands it to you. Here, you can have mine. Chocolate robot. Killua, are you sure you want me to get that? Yeah. Plus, I got more at my house, so yeah. Okay, if you say so. You grabbed the chocolate robot, you ate it, you kind of feel better with the cramps. Dang, I feel like I'm gonna cry. Anyways. Killua, do you know, where's the ibuprofen, the painkillers in the kitchen that I always, kept? Yeah. Do you want me to get that? Yeah. The chocolate kind of worked, but I still, can't feel the cramps. Oh, okay. He got the, okay. He got the chocolate robot. Not the chocolate robots. What the hell is wrong with you? Anyways. He goes to the kitchen, get the ibuprofen, and he went back to the room, gave you the ibuprofen / painkillers, and hands you a glass of water. You say thank you. You took the painkillers. You drank some water. You try to rest for a bit. you need anything else? Yeah. Could we cuddle and can you do me one favor, please? Yeah. He gets in your bed, cuddle you, and then you place his hand on your lower stomach. Nickel-chan, what are you doing? That's where I mostly have cramps. You start to get sleepy like I am now. But you also explain to him that you want him to be your heating pad. Oh, how long do you want me to do this? Since it's like 2 days since you guys have it, I'll say 5 more days. 5 more days? Okay, I can't really be with you for that long until you get better. But I'll take care of you, okay? But I can't be your heating pad for that long. You said okay, okay, I really need to end the video that fast because I am so tired. You start to fall asleep and Killua lets you sleep for a while. And then he slept. He slept next to you and stuff, and yeah. Okay, I think I kind of ruined my voice. Plus I'm like really tired right now. But anyways, if you have any suggestions or requests, I will kind of do it. But I might have to like take a break on Killua for a second because I do not want to ruin my voice and never do it again. So yeah, ciao.